Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to another episode of our training Excel tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how to join text in two different cells into one. So what we'll be doing today is how to join text from two different cells into one. So how do we do that? And today we'll be using the text function. The function concatenate. So we are required to combine these two names. We have first name, surname separated, but we want to have the full name as one. So let's put the heading as full name. Okay, so what we want to do is to have the names combined, and then the function we are using today is what? Concatenate function. Then we click on tab, then we select the cells where those words we want to combine are, like this place one, we use comma. So we want it to have space, and then if we want it to have space, we have to we have to put it into quotation mark, another comma. In the quotation mark there must be space so that we can have space between the words. So, and then we click on the second cell, then we press enter. So we can see that there is space between them. If we didn't put this quotation mark, it's going to combine the words together without putting space. You see John Ogunari, but we need it to have space between them. So that's why we have to put quotation mark with space in between them, quotation mark, comma, with space. You must make sure that there is space in between them, and click enter. Then what we will do, we'll copy the formula down. You just click on that small button and click it twice, then it's copied the formula down, or we drag it down like this, whichever way, so we can see that's done it. So if we have a very large data set, just so straightforward, we use the concatenate function, and then we'll combine text in two different cells together. Thank you, till we meet next time.